right degree. We won't burn, we'll never freeze, and you'll find us floating. We can only be seen from afar, pacing the sky at the speed of the stars. We move in slow motion. We're orbiting now, yeah. We're going round and round, yeah. Gravity can't even hold us down.